Hello and welcome. My name is Julian Menegazzo and I'm the fund manager of our direct suite of funds at Charter Hall. Today's short video is on the Charter Hall Direct PFA Fund, or better known as PFA. The aim of the video is to provide you with an update on the fund, some of its key statistics and information on the upcoming major liquidity event that opened on the 31st of August and closes on the 13th of October 2022. PFA is over a $2.5 billion unlisted property fund with an established and growing Australian office property portfolio anchored by government or well-regarded corporate tenants. It has delivered a 14.7% return in the 12 months to 30 June 2022 and an 11.2% return since inception. The fund also benefits from strong occupancy and long-term weighted average lease expiry profile across the fund's portfolio. The slide on screen shows how well the fund is geographically diverse across the Australian office market, with over 75% of its portfolio weighted to the eastern seaboard markets. Federal and state government tenant customers represent 60% of the fund's net property income. We recently commissioned a research report on the office sector from Jones Lang LaSalle, or JLL, to help investors and financial advisors decide what they'll do as part of the liquidity event. JLL believe that solid economic growth projections and strong levels of employment growth are a positive for the office sector. This positivity has already been observed, with 15 of 19 Australian office markets tracked by JLL recording positive net absorption over the 12 months to the end of March 2022. JLL believe the sector will be shaped by several key trends moving forward, including the improvement to occupancy rates as the employees return to the workplace, interest from organisations increasing in environmental, health and wellness attributes of an asset, and a focus on collaborative and social workplaces into the future. If you'd like more information, please visit our website at charterhall.com.au or request a copy from our team. So, what is the liquidity event? Well, PFA, just like our other open-ended funds, has a 5-year rolling term. PFA's liquidity event opened on the 31st of August and closes on the 13th of October 2022. This is an opportunity for investors to consider what they'd like to do with their investment in the fund. It's up to each individual investor to choose whether they want to stay invested in the fund for a further 5-year period or redeem their investment. For most investors who choose to stay invested, you do not need to do anything in relation to the forms and letters that we've sent out to you recently. Up on screen, you can see the options that are available to you and your clients. As I said, if you want to stay invested, no further action is required. If you'd like to redeem, please fill out the redemption form that was mailed to you recently. And finally, if you're unsure what to do, we do encourage you to seek financial advice. Unfortunately, at Charter Hall, we are unable to provide personal or taxation advice to investors. So, what is the fund strategy of PFA? Well, a couple of things to note. It's not changing from when you originally invested. The fund will continue for a further 5-year investment term. The fund aims to deliver regular income with potential for capital growth. It does this by investing in quality office properties located in established or emerging Australian office markets over the medium to long term, actively managing the portfolio to increase value and income growth prospects. The fund aims to grow rental income by attracting and retaining government or well-regarded corporate tenants on long leases with structured rental increases. PFA benefits from the acquisition pipeline of the Charter Hall Group, as well as our strong transaction and acquisition capabilities. We will also regularly review the portfolio, meaning that we will sell assets where we believe risk-adjusted returns have been maximised for our investors. What are the key dates that investors and financial advisors should be aware of? Well, the liquidity event opened on the 31st of August and will close on the 13th of October 2022. This provides enough time for investors to receive and read the letter, get up-to-date information from the fund's website, and to consult your financial advisor. Thank you for watching this short video on the major liquidity event for PFA. Up there on screen are key members of our team who you can reach out to should you have any further questions. But please remember, Charter Hall and our team are unable to provide personal, financial or tax advice. Thank you.